Few national anthems have lived as many lives as Germany's. It has belonged to a kingdom, an empire, a republic, a dictatorship, two separate countries, and finally, one nation again. Its story spans revolutions, world wars, division, and reunification. The anthem survived them all, but not unchanged. Because Germany itself would never remain unchanged. This is the story behind Deutschlandlied. Today, Germany is one of Europe's most influential nations. But for centuries, Germany did not exist. Instead, the region was divided into hundreds of kingdoms, duchies, free cities, and principalities. People identified with Bavaria, Prussia, Saxony, or their local state. The idea of a united Germany remained a dream, a cultural concept, not a political reality. But that would eventually change. In 1841, a poet named August Heinrich Hoffmann von Fallersleben wrote a poem. Germany remained divided, yet many believed unity was possible. During a stay on the island of Heligoland, he wrote the words that would become famous. Deutschland, Deutschland über alles. Today, those words are often misunderstood. At the time, they were not a call for conquest. They were a call for unity, a belief that loyalty to a united Germany should come before loyalty to the many states that divided its people. 3 decades later, the dream began to take shape. Under the leadership of Prussia, German states gradually united. Wars reshaped the political map. And in 1871, the German Empire was proclaimed. For the first time, most Germans lived within a single nation-state. The dream of unity had become reality, but history was far from finished. The 20th century transformed Germany. The First World War ended in defeat. The empire collapsed. A republic emerged. Political instability followed. Then came Adolf Hitler and the Nazi regime. The anthem remained, but its meaning changed. A symbol once associated with unity became linked to aggressive nationalism, and one of history's darkest chapters. When the Second World War ended, Germany lay in ruins, and the future of its anthem became uncertain. After 1945, Germany was divided. East Germany and West Germany. Each followed a different path. Each developed a different identity. West Germany retained Deutschlandlied, but only its third verse, a deliberate choice. The first verse carried too much historical baggage. The third verse focused instead on different values: unity, justice, freedom. Meanwhile, East Germany adopted an entirely different anthem. For decades, two Germanys existed, and two visions of German identity competed across Europe. Then the division became physical. In 1961, the Berlin Wall was built. Families were separated, communities divided, a nation split in two. For nearly 3 decades, the wall stood as one of the most powerful symbols of the Cold War. Many wondered whether Germany would ever be whole again. The dream of reunification seemed distant, perhaps impossible. In 1989, the Berlin Wall fell. Crowds celebrated. Families embraced. The world watched. Soon afterward, East and West Germany reunited. For the first time in decades, Germany became one country again. The question returned: what anthem should represent the new Germany? The answer was clear. The third verse of Deutschlandlied would remain, not as a symbol of conquest, but as a commitment to democratic values, unity, justice, and freedom. Today, Germany's national anthem consists of only one official verse, a conscious choice shaped by history. Its journey reflects the journey of Germany itself, a nation born from division, transformed by war, confronted by its past. and ultimately reunited. The anthem reminds us that symbols can change, meanings can evolve, and nations can learn from history. Because sometimes the most powerful national songs are not those that remain unchanged, but those that survive long enough to find a new meaning. And that is the story behind Germany's national anthem.